Hi hi all, I am Gunjan Gupta, your instructor. So today we will cover TestNG Groups. So groups allow you to perform grouping on different tests. Grouping of methods is required when you want to access test method of different classes. Okay. So directly we will jump to the test case. So when group tag is defined inside a suit tag, like see, first we have three classes. Okay. So this is personal loan.java. In this we have three methods, then second, and then three we have. Now, like one group we have to create. Now under suit we have group run, and include name smoke test. Then install, then group is, and then we are writing test case name personal loan, and class we have given of personal loan. Okay. Then second test for home, then test for run. Okay. So web login personal mobile login API. So this car loan is executed. Okay. Why the car loan is executed? Tell me. Because it should be in a smoke test. And now we will check. So there is nothing like a smoke test. No, there is group smoke test. Okay. So we have API login is executed, this mobile login, because here we have a smoke test. Okay, and here we have so this is executed. Okay, all the three different classes one test is executed, because here we have created group and running the smoke test. Okay, and classes we have given under the test. Okay, so it's mapping it. Okay, if a test block to multiple group, like group A, then this one is A and B, and this is B. Okay, then how it will work? So we have created a test name group A. We are including only group A. Okay, and in second group we are including group B. So group A, both A and B, both A and B and B, because when this first one is executed, na, this group A, so it will execute first group and this one. When B is executed, then first is not there, so this one will be executed in group 2. I will explain you again. Then group A is executed, this test is run. Okay, and this will not run, and this will run. And group B, then this one it will not run, this will run, and this will run. Okay, so that's why this is the output. So we have another group, include group, and exclude group. 3, we have 2 group. In one group we have 2, and second group we have 1. We have to include group, and this we have to remove. So 2 tests, 1 and 2 will execute. Okay, so this one is executed, and this one, because this group is excluded, means removed. Okay, we can use regular expression too. See, we have created this group and next group, so we can write include star, so that particular T1 and T test. This is because include is there and include is there. This two, so the third one is not. Okay, group in groups. So first is smoke, second is regression. Okay, we have defined a group A1 smoke and decoration, okay, included name in group, and then we are running include name group1, okay. So test 1 and 2 is executed, so we will go above and see test 1 and test 2 is executed, because inside the group we have defined this group, and inside this group we have these two groups, and that we are including here, okay. So if you have any question related to this video, please do comment, okay. Thank you for watching my video. Please do like my video, do subscribe.